how to create your Amazon affiliate account. So if you want to create your Amazon affiliate account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and you need to search for Amazon. Once you've searched, here you will have Amazon.com Associates Central. Go for that, and here you need to go for sign up, and you need to create your Amazon Associates account. So enter the payee name and enter the address, enter the city, and then the province, the country, enter the country code and enter your mobile number. And you need to enter the zip code or postal code. And once you've entered all of this information, you need to click on next. And it will take you to the next step where you need to enter a website and mobile app list. So you can simply choose any website or any mobile app URL and you can click on add. So for example, I'll be choosing my YouTube link. So, and here you need to click on no and click on confirm, and it will take you to the third, which is the profile. So here you need to enter what's your preferred associates store ID. You need to enter the store ID, and then you need to tell about the content you create, and then which of the following best describes your content, and how did you hear about us. You can select any one of these options, and then you need to enter this image right here. You need to enter the characters which you see on the upper side of that.
Please type the numbers you hear.
You can also use the audio, and then you need to enter the audio captcha and click on you agree to the terms and conditions, and you need to click on finish, which is on the bottom right. And that's it, your account has been created. So this is your unique associates ID, and you can enter the payment or tax information, or you can simply go for the later. And that's it, your Amazon Associates account has been created. So that's how you can create your Amazon Associates. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.